Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Ram that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you need to find where the air suspension compressor fuses are located, you have up to 3 of them. Stay with us, we'll explain guys where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad, all we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that guys to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses for the air suspension compressor on that generation Dodge Ram here. Open guys your hood. Under the hood, the main engine fuse box is located guys in a fuse box right here. See that cover? You have 2 notches, press them, you can open that cover. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, for the air suspension compressor, we need to check up to 3 different fuses. You wonder where they're located. The first one is fuse number 5, right here. That 40 amp fuse, right here, you need to check it. Next, you need to check fuse number 50 guys. Fuse number 50 will be that 20 amp fuse right here. And we have one more fuse that we may need to check, and it's known as fuse number 87. So you wonder where 87 is located. So specifically that will be 36, okay, 89, 88, 87 guys, okay. 87 will be that fuse, okay, that you see right here. That's the one that you will need to check, okay, that one. So these 3 fuses are for the air suspension compressor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.